Welcome to the Wednesday Weekly, our weekly message here at St. Mary's School. I'm Mrs. Cox, your proud principal, and today is Wednesday, November 3rd, 2021. It's hard to believe it's November already, but time is passing by quickly, which leads to our theme for today, time. Because this Friday is our monthly assembly, so at 12 o'clock, our kindergarten will be hosting a monthly assembly, and all of the kindergarten parents and, of course, our parents of students of the month who have already been contacted are welcome to attend in person. This Saturday is also fallback time. That's right, folks. It's time to move the clocks back an hour. So don't forget before you go to bed on Saturday night to change your clocks so that you aren't a whole hour early for Mass. Not that that would be bad. You could hang in the church and pray, but just in case you'd like to not be an hour early for Mass on Sunday morning, set your clocks back on Saturday night. We also have another theme of time, and that is dealing with attendance. I'd like to talk about the time that you are investing in. You, as parents and guardians, have chosen to invest in your child's education here at St. Mary's, but some of you aren't taking full advantage of that because we've had students that are coming in late, and it seems like an increasing number of students are arriving late at school. If you think of this as a job, and this was your job, parents, would you still have a job if you were late to work as often as some of your children are late to school? Probably not. It's really important that we make the most of the time that we have. We start school at 8 o'clock, not pull up and get out of the car at 8 o'clock, but start classes, which means they need to be on campus and in their classrooms before 8 o'clock rolls around. At 8 o'clock, our classes are coming out and we're getting started with morning prayer and pledge, which means some of your children are coming in late and you're missing starting the day in community and prayer, which is part of why you have your children here at St. Mary's. If they can't participate in that, or if they're arriving in class after everyone else has already started, they're just playing catch up the whole time. They've missed directions, they've missed the introduction, they've missed the time to connect with others and to be in community and to pray to start off our day. It's really important to have them here before the 8 o'clock bell rings. So I'm going to ask you and challenge you, if that's been a challenge for you and your family, to maybe move your clocks back a little bit more than an hour. Set your clocks a little bit earlier. Have things ready the night before. Anything you can do to make it easier to get out of the door in the morning and be here on time. Because being early is actually being on time. And arriving on time is actually arriving late. And being late is simply unacceptable. So please remember that. Same goes for dismissal. If you're checking your child out early, you are not only interrupting their learning, but you're interrupting the learning of everyone because the teacher has to stop and help your child either arrive in class or gather their things to leave class. It's really disruptive to our entire school day and all of the students, not just your child. It has a big impact on our school as a whole. So I'm asking you to please minimize those disruptions to our classroom, to all of our classrooms, by having your children here before school starts and waiting till 3 o'clock to check them out. Please note, we do understand doctor and dental appointments happen sometimes during the school day. We get that. So that notwithstanding, be here on time. A reminder, Friday, we have our assembly, as I said, at 12 o'clock, and that is hosted by our kindergarten. Our kindergarten parents are invited to attend, as well as the parents of our students of the month who have already been notified if they are the winners. So we'll see you on Friday, and another quick note, next week, Thursday, is Veterans Day. We do not have school in honor of Veterans Day. I hope that you'll take the time on Veterans Day to attend one of the many Veterans Day services in the area, though. Take time to thank those who serve now or have served in the past, because Veterans Day is about all the men and women who have served, past and present. So let's give them a big shout out and show our patriotism. In fact, at the top of your school speak, your home page, there's a virtue every week. It's part of the Disciples in Christ program, and we are utilizing that here at St. Mary's and starting conversations with our students as well. Every week there's a new word, and it tells us what that virtue looks like, what it sounds like, what are we doing if we're living that virtue. This week's virtue is circumspection, which is a really big word, but it basically means that we think before we act. Next week's word is patriotism. Pretty good word for Veterans Day coming up. Take a look at that, because those are conversations we're having at school, and when you open School Speak, you can join the conversation. Make sure that you're conversing with your children. Ask them what they know about that word. What does that mean? What does that virtue mean to them? What does it mean to be a disciple of Christ? All right, folks, last but not least, make sure you're checking School Speak also for the calendar. There are a lot of things on the calendar, including basketball season. Lots of games coming up and lots of opportunities to cheer on the St. Mary's Squires. I'll see you at the game, and I'll see you after school or before school or anywhere in between. Take care and God bless.